most important concept of binomial theorem. Let us see. So binomial theorem for positive integral, if a and b are real number, then for all n is element of natural number. That means a and b are natural number, a and b are real number, any natural number. Then we can write just like this is a plus b to the power n. So expansion will be what? N C 0. A is the first term, B is the second term. So first term power will be what? N minus 0 into second is what? B power 0. In the same way NC1. First will be what? Difference N minus 1 and second will be what? That is this power 1. In the same way we can go for the last. That is NCN A to the power what? N minus 1 and this B to the power N. So we can put any value and we can check. So you can know A plus B power suppose 1. So you know answer is what? A plus B. So just I am breaking by the help of binomial theorem. So we get what? 1C0. A to the power 1 minus 0 1 and this B power 0. Next will be 1C1. So A will be what? 1 minus 1 0 and this B will be 1. So you know NC0 1, C0 is always 1 and B to the power 0 always 1, A1 is A. Similarly here 1C1 that is always 1 and A to the power 0 always 1. So this is what? B. A plus B. So A plus B to the power 1 is what? A plus B. In the same way, if we are going for A plus B2. So this is 2C0, A power 2 minus 0, B power 0. This is 2C1, A will be 2 minus 1, B will be 1. And here again 2C2, A is what? 0 and B will be 2. So you know NC01, B01, this is A square. Here 2C1 is 2, A1 and B1 is what? AB. Here 2C21, A02, this is B square. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. Let us see. So here question is what? Find A plus B to the power 4. That means we have to expand A plus B power 4. So we know the binomial theorem is what? We will break NC0. N is what? 4. So 4C0. First is A. So A power 4 minus 0 that is 4. And B power 0 is what? 0. Again this is what? 4C1. A power will be 4 minus 1 3 and B power will be 1. Again you see this is 4C2. A power will be 4 minus 2 that is 2 and B power will be this 2. Again here 4C3. So A power will be 4 minus 3 that is 1. B power will be 3. Again this is 4C4. A power will be 4 minus 4 0 and B power will be 4. So you know 4C0 that is NC0 is 1. B power 0 is 1 so we get A4. Here 4C1 so you know 4 factorial 1 factorial 3. So 4C1 and C1 is what? Only n because 4 factorial 1 4 minus 1 3 we get 4. So we get what? 4A cube B. Again this is 4C2. When we solve 4C2 so simple technique is what? 4 factorial 2 factorial and 2. So 4 into 3 and divided by 2. So we will get what? That is 6. So we will get 6A square B square. In the same way here 4C3. So 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 minus 3 was you get 4 only. So this is what? 4AB cube. And here again 4C4, this is one A04, you get what? B4. So this is our correct answer. Let us see. Here question is find A minus B to the power 5. So any question of this time we can solve easily by the help of binomial theorem. So binomial theorem what? NC0. N is what? 5. So we will get 5C0. A to the power, yani first term to the power 5 minus 0 that is 5. And second term is what? Minus B to the power 0. In the same way we will get 5C1. First term A power 5 minus 1 4. Second term is minus B power is what? 1. In the same way here we can write 5C2 and first term is A 5 minus 2 3. Second term is minus B that is 2. Again we can write 5C3. First term is 5 minus 3, 2. Second term minus b power 3. Again we can write 5c4. And first term is a 5 minus 4, 1. Second term minus b power 4. The last is what? 5c5. And into first term a 5 minus 5, 0. Second term minus b 5. So now we can write 5c0. So and c0 is what? That is 1. Minus b power 0 is 1. We will get a5. Here minus, so we go for minus. 5c1 is what? 5 factorial, 1 and 5 minus 1, 4. So you get 5 only. So this is what? Minus 5a4b. Here 5c2 and here minus b, so become positive. So this is positive 5c2. 5 factorial divided by 2 into 3. So 5 into 4 by 2, that is 10. So we'll get 10 a cube b square. Again you see here minus b cube will get negative. So this is what? Negative. 5 factorial divide 3 and 5 minus 3 2. So 5 into 4 and divided by 2 again 10. So we'll get 10 a square b cube. Here minus b power is what? 4 positive, we get positive number. And 5c4 5 factorial 4 1. So only 5. So this is right is what? 5ab power 4. Now you see here minus b to the power 5 negative. So we'll get minus. 5c5 1 minus a power 0. So this is what? B to the power 5 1. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Total number of terms in expansion a plus b to the power n, where a and b are real and n is the element of n. So correct answer is what? So simply you know the trick. The answer will be what? N plus 1. What is the power given? Just add 1. So n plus 1 is right answer. You can see the example. Suppose it is a plus b to the power 1. So you know it is what? A plus b. So how many term? 2 term. That is here n. So n is 1. So 1 plus 1 what? That is 2 terms. So here 2 term. In the same way you see other example, a plus b whole square. You know formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how many terms? Here you know this is 3 terms. And here power is 2. So we are getting 2 plus 1, that is 3. So any number of question like this, so simply term is what? Total number of terms will be n plus 1, where n is the power. Let us see the question. Find the total number of terms in x plus y to the whole square to the power 20. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? You know that is number of terms. Number of terms in a plus b power n is what? N plus 1, where a and b are real number and n is the element of natural number. So here it is given x plus y power 2 power 20. So it is what? 40. So our answer will be what? 40 plus 1, that is 41. So 41 is our correct answer.